Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Rahman. In this video, I'm going to show how to create Grayscale image to 3D image through ArtCAM software. First of all, you need to search Grayscale image. You can search it Google or Pinterest. I'm searching Pinterest. In the description, I give you a text. This text give you better result or more searching image. Copy paste and search. Download, select on image and download it. I select it and I try to download. Here in the download option, just click. So open, select download image, press open, give a height and width size, height in Z 20 mm, select mm,
Hi boy.
select mm and press OK.
You start with
Now here we can show the 3D image that create Grayscale image. That creates a Grayscale image. 3D is not sharp. Now I try to make it sharp or smoothly. Smooth relief. Smooth relief apply. Now here I am to show. Here we going to show. Now I delete this extra number or website. Create a tunnel. Select there. Create. Select 2 and press here 0 inside vector. If you need more sharp, you can select here smooth relief again and smooth it. If you give more smooth relief stress, it will not look like. I hope everyone understand how to create properly Grayscale image to 3D relief file. Assalamualaikum.